Only few days are remaining for this airdrop of EESEE, and we have covered this airdrop earlier also 1 month ago. If you have seen this video, then you would have got the points already, and your points of testnet will be transferred to the mainnet as mainnet have launched on EESEE. So if you have participated in this particular airdrop after watching our video, then you are way ahead of the people who are participating now. But still, you still got the chance, because we will be seeing how you can get 500 points bonus by doing one task. So still you are in the game, and you should give it a try, as this airdrop can be huge. So EESEE recently launched their mainnet, and the snapshot date is 9th of April. So it's better to grind for a few days and get as many points as possible. We have already discussed the fundamentals of EESEE in our previous video, but we will still be checking out the fundamentals at the end of this video. But first, let's see how you can participate in the airdrop. So let's get into the video already. And the good thing about this airdrop is that you would be getting blast airdrop as well. So all the activities that you will do on EESEE will make you qualify for the blast airdrop as well. So this is a 2-in-1 airdrop. With activities on one D app, you would be getting 2 airdrops. If you look at the VCs of EESEE or the angels, you would see some big names over here. You can see Animoca brands over here, and these are some names that you can find out in almost all the big projects out there. So it is going to be huge, and these VCs don't join up any random projects out there. And as for the working, we will see it at the end, but first we will see only everything about the airdrop. Also, the EESEE is the D app for the blast network, and all the D apps will be getting some gold points from blast, and EESEE has committed to give out all the points that EESEE will be getting from blast to its community. So in this airdrop as well, we might see some more bonus rewards from EESEE, and all your testnet points must have been converted to 1:1 ratio into the mainnet points, and these points will be getting converted into your airdrop. So the more points that you will earn, the better your airdrop will be. We will see how you can get 500 points and get ahead in the leaderboards quite easily. So this is the point system that is there, and you will have to complete some task, and this way you would be accumulating the points, and these points will be shown in your wallet, and after that you would be getting rewards as per your points that you have farmed. You can also join EESEE's ambassador program for more rewards, and I will be providing all these links that I will be using in this video in the description, so it would be quite easy for you to access all these links. So we will have to fund our EESEE wallet, and for that you can use different methods, like you can send Ethereum and then convert Ethereum to USDB. So everything works in USDB over here, and we need to get USDB. So you have to transfer Ethereum on your MetaMask and make sure that it is on the blast network, as this EESEE is on blast network. So you can do it in 2 ways. One way is that you purchase USDC from any exchange out there and use Polygon for it, as it will be cheaper for you. And make sure that you have some Matic in your Polygon wallet in order to pay for the gas fees. After that, convert that USDC to USDB, and this way just deposit that USDB in your EESEE wallet by typing the amount over here, and you would be getting a USDB in your wallet. Then you can do activities on the EESEE mainnet, and this way you would be able to farm the points. Now if you got Ethereum on your wallet, then what do? You can use OWL2 for it. So I will be providing the link in the description. You can connect your wallet over here. After that, you can select the token of your choice that you want to use in order to bridge it to blast. So just simply select Ethereum for an example, and here select the network from which you want to send. Optimism seems to be cheaper in case of Ethereum for me, so I used Optimism, and the token is Ethereum. Now we need to send it to blast, so we will select blast at the bottom, then type the amount and click on send, and this way you would be able to transfer the Ethereum from your Optimism blockchain or Optimism chain to your blast network, and this is how you would be able to get it. Now how do we convert it to USDB? There are 2 different platforms for it. The first one is Izumi Finance, and the second one is thruster finance. So we can simply type the amount of Ethereum that we want to convert. At the bottom, select USDB. Now click on this option of swap and accept the transaction. This way you would be able to convert your Ethereum to USDB. And after getting USDB, we can deposit this particular USDB in our SE mainnet. And let me tell you one more glitch over here. Sometimes you might face the problem or the error over here while connecting your MetaMask. So in that case, you will have to click on this option of your extensions and click on this option of manage extensions. This way you would be able to open up this page. Over here you have to disable your other extensions and make sure that MetaMask is enabled, and after that you would be able to get the option of connecting your MetaMask to OWL2, and this is how you would be able to get rid of the error. Now after getting the funds in your SE mainnet, go to this section of challenges, and over here you can find the option of my challenges. Now here you can see that you would be getting this 5 points for 1 USDB of trading volume on SE mainnet, and as a seller you will also be getting 5 points for 1 USDB of volume. So this challenge is only there for 4 days and 6 hours, so you have to do it in a time bound manner. Here you would be able to see the tasks. Now simply click on this option of start your journey, and after that you would be able to claim 100 points quite easily after connecting your wallet. This is as easy as it sounds. Now for the onboarding Odyssey, you would have to explore the platform of SE, and by explore you would have to check out the features. You don't just have to click on different sections of SE, but also do some transactions. Like when you click on explore, you would be able to see this tour over here. You can select buyer or seller, then click on a start tour, and here you can explore, buy tickets, and you can also get different assets. So simply click on this option of next. Just simply click on this option of next, and it will take you all over the SE's mainnet, where you can check out different functionalities of SE, and this is how you would be able to complete the challenge and do the different transactions. But make sure that you do the transactions in order to complete it. After that you would be able to claim it. Now for the 500 points you would have to purchase the ticket. And how do we do it? For this you will just have to click on this option of explore, then go to the section of NFTs, and over here you would be able to find different NFTs. Now just simply scroll down and select any particular NFT that you want to purchase, and also check out the amount or the budget for that particular NFT. And it would be better if you go with some NFT which has for the first time be the first one, because these NFTs will help you with other tasks as well. As when we click on this option of challenges and go to my challenges and scroll down, here you can see that you have to complete this one, which says that be the first to buy a ticket in a lot one time. So you have to be the first one to purchase a ticket in order to complete this task. So this way, purchasing that particular NFT where you are the first one, you would be able to complete this one as well as this task, and you would be able to complete this task and get the points. And you can also see that there are different levels to these tasks. Since we have completed one particular task over here, that's why we are shown as level 1 on this one, but on others we are 0, because we need to complete these tasks in order to level up and gain more tasks. This way we will be getting more tasks and unlocking more tasks for us in order to complete them and farm as many points as possible. Now as for the platform and its fundamentals, let's discuss it as well. So on this platform you get different famous NFTs. Suppose someone wants to sell their NFT which is around $5,000, and that person might not be able to sell it to each and every person out there, as it is costly for most of the people out there. And suppose you want to purchase that $5,000 NFT but you don't have $5,000. Now what do? You have to just look out for that particular NFT over here and purchase the tickets. There is no limit for purchasing the tickets for one particular person. You can purchase as many tickets as possible. Suppose the full price of this particular NFT, which is from CryptoFunk, is $90,276, and you can purchase one single ticket for 6 USDB, which is quite cheap. Suppose you purchase 50 or just 10 tickets for this particular NFT, and one lucky winner gets that particular NFT, and this way you end up being that particular lucky person, and by spending $60 you would be getting $90,276 worth of NFT. So the seller will be getting whole of the amount from all the people who are purchasing these tickets, and buyer, the luckiest one, will get this particular NFT. So this is how the buyer will be able to purchase NFT worth hundreds and thousands of dollars by spending just a few bucks. So this is how this platform will be working out in future in a better way, and more functionalities might be added as more people will be joining and giving out the feedback, so they will be understanding it all in a better way and improve their platform. So this is how you would be able to participate in the airdrop for now, and this is how this platform works. And let's go through the platforms we have seen in this video once again. First one was Owl2. In order to bridge your Ethereum to Blast and to swap to USDB, you can utilize Izumi Finance and Thruster Finance. So you can use any of them to convert your Ethereum or any other token to USDB. And this is how you do it. You can find all the links in the description. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, and also smash that like button. See you in the next video.